Stampler Auctions would love to invite you to an absolute auction, February 15th in Hollywood, Florida. This sale features an international dump truck, equipment trailers, 3 containers, an 05 Mack tank truck, an 01 Workhorse step van, and this Toyota forklift. All assets ordered sold by landlord, including the assets of ARF Plumbing Services. Don't forget this large 10.5-ton baler in perfect working condition. Make sure you visit StamplerAuctions.com for more details and information. Please call 1-800-330-BIDS with any questions regarding the auction process. See y'all there.